Hey guys, we received this GuangYang 12-piece fine porcelain Brone color glazed, hand-drawn teacups and saucer set for test and try. Comes in a really nice gift box, protective, and you can see and feel the quality here in this box. So it's a very nice shape and the size of the cup, as you can see it here. So handmade and handmade colors, and very nice holder so that it can easily fit the big hands as well. So this is the right size and I will say the right handle saucer set with the six-piece saucers and see the colors. So it's a really nice coloring thing and I feel like the premium quality because the colors are vibrant and very nicely done colors. The whole set looks pretty nice and modern. The saucer size and the shape is also modern and the feel is good. So for me, this cup set is really nice because of the painting thing. Yeah, you can see and feel it, and also the handle size because usually they are small handles or big handles that don't look good. So when you put this on the table, this is how it looks with the whole set. So see from the inside, this is all colored well, looks pretty nice, and then with the saucer set together and separate the vibrant color thing. So this is also pretty nice. And then with the whole saucer set, that looks pretty good. So overall impression is really nice. Handle with care, but a good handle size, cup size, nice for your tea, and with the saucer set, looks good for serving to the guests, and also feel nice while keeping it easy to clean and wash. No issues in that as well, and then particularly to use. Hope you like this as well, and you will get it for your own home.